Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back doing these live intros. I missed all of you and I am very excited for today's video. But before we get into all of that, I would love to welcome all of my new subscribers. You guys are so amazing. We are almost at 900 subscribers and I cannot believe it. Like I said, I am truly thankful for each and every one of you. If you didn't already know, this channel is all about deals, decor, fashion on a budget. I do DIYs. I also like to add some women empowerment to videos just to give you some inspiration to continue your week. So I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Now back to today's video. Today's video is a fall coffee station decorate and organize with me video, and I am so excited. I truly love decorating our home and I love getting it ready for the different seasons. So I'm really excited about today's video, and I'm even more excited that it is in collaboration with my girl Alyssa from Dreaming of a Farm. She is such a sweet girl. We met about a month ago and we just connected so quickly. She is a wife, she is a mom of 2 little girls 17 months apart. She is a teacher. She is just such a sweet person and you will love her. Her family just purchased an amazing home. They'll be doing some renovations and she will be putting that on her channel, so you may want to go over there and subscribe. She actually started her YouTube channel because she wanted to give awareness about her VBAC journey. 20 hours before she was supposed to have a C-section, she actually had a VBAC and she wanted to show her story to the world, and she just continued her YouTube journey after that. So make sure you head over to her page, let her know that I sent you. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell because you do not want to miss any uploads from her either. She does lifestyle videos. Like I said, she's going to be doing her home renovation. I love those types of videos. So head over, subscribe to her channel, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So here is just an overview look of everything that I will be using in this video, whether it's for decorating or for organizing. And then as I begin to organize and decorate, I will share with you where I purchased everything. So let's get into this fun coffee station video. And most of these items on this table were purchased from Dollar Tree, and a lot of it was purchased from Target's Dollar Spot. So it was a very inexpensive decor situation here. Very inexpensive. So like I said on this channel, I always like to show you how to make things look good even on a budget, and it can be done. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's all about us, as we're dancing close together, making up. Okay, so this mini island needs a good wipe down, so that's what I'm about to do now. And here is everything as the before. So I'm just going to take my favorite cleaner. I'm just going to wipe inside the drawers, the outside, and the top, of course. The side with the water bottles is already clean because my kids put water bottles, that's their job, to refill water bottles daily. But here it is, my favorite cleaner. You guys have seen this multiple times on my channel. I love this stuff. Only in the eucalyptus scent that I love. I don't really like the other scents, but yeah, I love this cleaner, and I'm just going to wipe down everything and give it a nice refresher. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes. Can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. So now I'm going to start organizing the inside of the drawer. These containers are of course from Dollar Tree. You already know that's one of my favorite stores. So yes, I have those little white bins from there. And I also have this clear bin from, I think it's from Gabe's, and it was like $3, $3.99 from there. So I picked that up, and now I'm just going to start putting things on the inside. You already know about these labels that I got up from Amazon, and I'm gonna put those in the larger compartment. I have these little sandwich bags because this is what I use to do my kids snacks. I already have that in another video. Make sure you go ahead and check that out if you haven't already seen how I organize my kids snacks. And now I have mask in there because we always need a mask right now. But I like to always keep some throughout the house in different places just in case we need to grab one. And this measuring, the measuring spoons are from Target. They were on sale for like $1.30. So I picked up another gray one. I already have a white one that I'm already currently using, so I didn't open this one yet. But yeah, I'm putting that one in there. I'm going to organize my coffee. This is just one of the boxes. I love this coffee. I get it from Aldi's. It tastes so good. My parents put me on this coffee and I love it. So yeah, I'm just going to organize that and trying to keep the drawer as clean and simple as possible. I don't like overly just messy drawers, so it's nice and clean and it's easy to grab what I need. So here's one more look of the mini island before I start decorating, just to give you one final look of the before, and I'm ready to decorate. This is my favorite part. So when decorating a small area like this, I like to put my larger items on first, and then I like to add my smaller ones around them. It just makes it easier with space and how to arrange the items. It makes it much easier. So I like doing it that way. This cake stand I purchased from Michael's. It was originally $10, but they have the 50% off coupon, so it was only $5. So I thought that was a really great deal. I use that all the time, and I just wanted to give it a good wipe down before I add it to this coffee station. So I absolutely love this placemat. It was 4 in a pack for about $5.99 at my local Ross, and I picked it out because it is so similar to my dining room table placemats. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go ahead and check out my fall dining room decor. You don't want to miss that video. But yes, I thought that was a good deal. And these recipe stands, oh my gosh, I love them. You know I love the farmhouse feel, and they were only $1.99 at Gabe's, and that was the full price. So I picked up 3 of those babies because yes, I love them that much. So yeah, they will also make cute gifts, but yeah, absolutely love this, and I thought they look cute together on the coffee station. So I absolutely love this little pitcher from, it's a metal pitcher from Target's Dollar Spot, and it was $5. I thought that was really cute, and yeah, and I thought it would go well with my theme. It still plays within my farmhouse theme because I was going to put like some greenery on the inside, so I thought that would be like really cute, and it will stand out, like it'll really pop. So I'm going to add this greenery that I love to it, and give it a little fall look with some little red tones that I have that some of you saw from my dining room table decor. So just to add a little fall to it, and yeah, I just love how everything is turning out. So I thought it would be a cute idea to do like a tea of the month, and I picked up this pumpkin spice chai. It's so good, and I left it in the box because it goes with the decor. So I thought it would be like really cute, a tea of the month, and then in the winter time I'll do like a peppermint tea or something else. So I thought it was like a little cute little idea. So how cute is this little like velvet pumpkin that I purchased from Dollar Tree for only $1, and the little ceramic pumpkins that were also $1 but from Target's Dollar Spot, and I love the little add of color to them. And yeah, very inexpensive. Like listen, this coffee station nearly cost me, like besides the coffee actually Keurig machine, it was like under $30 to do. So I thought this was definitely on the budget, and I just love how it's coming out. Here's another ceramic pumpkin, and I'm just going to, you know, arrange everything to how I like it. I also purchased a super cute bread dish from Target's Dollar Spot, and it was only $5. Everyone already knows that I love a mug. I have a whole cabinet of mugs, and this one was from Dollar Tree for only $1, and I thought it was super cute, and it just matches my decor perfectly. And this cute little glass jar is from Dollar Tree, of course, and I'm going to be adding napkins to the inside of it that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to add my little push pin. You guys know I'm good for that here. I don't like to create big holes. And I'm going to hang this picture. As you can see, I was having a hard time, but your girl, we eventually got it on there. So now I'm just adding my spices that I absolutely love. I purchased them from Aldi's, and I'm just going to keep them in their original packaging. Usually I put them in like mason jars, but the packaging goes so well with my decor that I just added it to the coffee station. This little recipe card actually came with that little dish from Target, so I'm just adding it because it is a pumpkin recipe. So I'm just adding it to the recipe stand just to give it a cute little decor. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually do that recipe, but I just thought that was just a cute little decor accent. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I absolutely love how this little coffee tea station turned out, and it was super cost friendly, so you know your girl is happy with everything. So I hope you enjoyed it. If this is something that you like to watch, if you enjoy deals, decor, fashion, all of that, please consider subscribing to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. And make sure you head over to Alyssa from Dreaming of a Farm's channel and check out her fall favorites video. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.